What's up, guys? So it's been a while. Actually, you can check out the Altima. I pretty much got everything situated with it. The only thing left is the window won't roll down and up, so I got another motor. I'm gonna switch that out right now. And also I have a lower control arm and a radius arm for the back wheel, and I'll get that switched out as well. So as you see, we got the door panel off, and there's the motor that we're switching out. I have a new one, well, one from the old door. I have the one from the old door that's gonna replace that one because it was working just fine. So let's get that swapped out. And just like that, we have the old one off. Gonna get the replacement one on, the original one. Okay, so now we got the motor hooked all up. You just wanna plug that bad boy in. I kinda wanna test her out before I get her all put back together, so let's see. Let's see. We got anything? Still no action. No action. Don't know what's up with the window. Hey guys, so the window motor, it didn't work out, so I'm guessing it may be the regulator, which I also have. Just don't feel like doing all that work right now. So we're gonna change this lower control arm out and radius arm. See if we can get any luck with that. We got the wheel off. Gotta freaking get this bar off the radius bar. It's a little bent, I guess. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that lower control arm right here. It's got a huge kink in it. So we're gonna try to switch those out right now. So you see we got the old one out, and it's just bent all out of shape. Super bent. We got the new one. Where is it at? We got it hanging down. It's not bolted up yet, but it'll be in a hot sec. Then we just gotta get this piece off. Okay, so I got the lower control switched arm out, tightened up, and this radius bar right here. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty good, but it didn't look bent. However, I do have one right here. I compared the two and they look awfully identical. It doesn't look bent at all, honestly. So we'll have to see how it rides after I put the wheel back on. Now we're all put back together, and if you guys remember, this wheel was like a little bit slanted in, and it's actually straight now. So hopefully that fixed that wobble in the back. We'll have to check it out. This was the previous lower control arm, super bent up. So hopefully that was the issue. The funny part is I changed the freaking lower control arm on it, and the right away the wheel alignment got that much better. It's actually going straight on its own now. Yeah guys, it feels a lot better. Like, I can't even lie, it feels so much better. I remember when I was running over these little speed bumps in the middle of the street, it was feeling like it was just gonna fall apart. So now we got some stability, and this thing feels really good, guys. Like, I can't even complain. They also told me when I went to get a checkup, they told me I need this, which is a radius arm. Mine's wasn't even bent. I don't know why they said that bar was bent, because it's not bent at all. And the car doesn't even really need an alignment now. So pretty much done with this car now. Gonna put it up for sale and see what we can do. I'm done with it though.